everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you some swatches and review of the Neeko gel polish. You can find this gel polish on Amazon. So this is how does the box look like. I love the design of the uppercase. These are the basic instructions, some of the warnings, the precautions that you need to take in. Then we got some basic information like when it has been manufactured and what's the expiry date. So this is how does it look inside. It contains 6 bottles which are secure, and it contains a little manual where you can find different kind of instructions. So this is the manual where they state some of the features, like it's not harmful for the skin, it's natural resin, it can last up to 21 days, and it also gives you instruction how you're gonna apply it, some of the problems, like the common problems, how you can solve them, and also it contains little contact dates. So if you have IG, Facebook or Twitter, you can follow them. They also got a YouTube channel, so if you want to check them out you can do so. So these are the 6 bottles that you get. It's like a basic bottle design with their logo over it. On the back side you get the information like what it is, like the quantity that you get. So you get 7 ml quantity, and this one is shade number 117, and it's kind of pastel lavender shade. It's in a pink, in a purple range. So you can see that this color is actually really popular in these days. I've seen so many nail art done with this one, so it's actually pretty good. Like on applying, it's really smooth, it's not dense, it's enough liquid, and it's really smooth. I bet you that it's so soft when you apply it. So this is the first shade. So next shade is 116. It's again a purple kind of shade. It's like in that range, but it's not fully purple, it's slightly to pinkish purple, you can call it. And this is how does this one look. And the size of the brush is actually pretty good, so you don't really need to worry about that. Another thing I like to clear is that I haven't applied the base coat, but if you're applying it on your natural, please do apply the base coat, so that doing that you can make it last longer, so you can have like for at least 20 days of coverage. So next shade is this one. It's number 115, and it's a 7 ml bottle. So I forgot to mention that all these bottles are 7 ml. You get enough quantity, so don't worry about the quantity. And again, they are super shiny. They also give you full coverage in just 1 coat, and I think this is actually pretty good. If you're a beginner and you don't want to spend like a lot of money on your gel polish just because you're not used to it, you can actually give a try to these because they're actually pretty good. So next shade is this one. It's 118. It's kind of pastel baby blue color, you can call it, and this is how does this one looks like. So this set comes with purple range and with blue range, so you get 3 purple colors and 3 in range of blue color. And again, this one gives you full coverage in just 1 coat, and all of the shades are really smooth when you apply them. They are so smooth, and again they give you full coverage in just 1 coat. So don't worry about that, because there are some times when you don't want to go for the second coat, so you can just go for the first one. So this is the next shade. It's 119. It's kind of pastel blue color. It's not in the range of sky blue, but it's kind of blue colors, and this is how does this one looks like. And again, from this one, this shade is my favorite one. I love this one. This one is actually can be used for like Christmas nails. So this is the last shade. It's number 120. It's kind of ink blue color, like it's not a blue, but it's kind of blue. Do you know what color is the blue pen? It's like that. It's almost in that shade, and this is how does this one looks like. You can use this shade to create like gradient nail art. For example, you can use the pastel sky blue shade and this one to create a perfect gradient, or you can use these 2 shades to create a perfect Christmas nail art. So this is how that one looks like. So this is the final look, and this is how all these shades looks like. I've applied the matte top coat and the glossy one so that you can have a look at both. Another thing that I liked is that they got the color on the top, so if you want to store them in a drawer, it's gonna be really easy to find them. That really makes you the process of picking up the colors really easy, because you already see the colors, so you don't need to open them to check what colors it's inside, so because you can already see on the top. Another thing that I noticed is that they are odorless, which means that they don't smell of chemical. For gel polishes, it's really hard to make them odorless, and I like the fact because sometimes you can't actually stand that chemical smell, but this one hasn't got any, so that should be okay for you. If you're working, if you need to work for a long time, you can definitely go for these nail polish because they don't smell of chemicals. So these are all the shades that you get it, and I hope you like this video, and I will see you very soon. Bye.